So, Dad, how do you feel now that you're 50?
50. Yes, I'm approaching 50. Actually, I feel the same. I feel, yeah, I think other people turn 50, and I've heard of other
Mm-hmm.
people turning 50,
Really?
but now I think it's my turn. So, yeah, I'll take it as it comes.
Mm-hmm.
I feel good. I wish I can lose some more pounds and kilos. That's for sure. I've been trying to do all my life so far, and I hope I can do it on the other side of 50 when it's really, really required. So far so good, and the life has been so far so good. Um, Wonderful journey so far, and I hope the next, not 50, I don't want to live for another 50, but next 25, I hope it's great.
Okay. Tell me something about your childhood.
Um, I was born on 9th September, as you know, and what I know is that I was a big baby. I was born 9 pounds, and my nani मेरे को कहती थी कि people used to come to see me in the hospital, because I was a big baby, and nobody had seen a 9 pound baby, So my mother was in the hospital for 3 days. Later on, I actually won the healthiest baby award, healthiest, not the fattest.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So my mother was on television on Doordarshan for 5 minutes. Dr. Taneja gave the award, and I got a tricycle, I got a sachet, and I got a crown. I also have my picture to prove it. So I think, yeah, those were that I don't recall, but of course, when I see these pictures, and it's I'm sure they are wonderful memories, which have been created.
Yeah.
So childhood again, I think because I was the first baby, I'm the first child of my parents, so they enjoyed my childhood, and so did the rest of the family members.
Okay. So, is there any memorable school or college experience that you would like to share?
Memorable school. I went to modern first to junior school, and then to into Mayu Road, and then to Barakamba Road. Uh, I was a good kid, so not really any kind of naughty experiences I know. But what I started enjoying after ninth grade was playing badminton, and I used to train very hard. Can you imagine me doing running 10 kilometers nearly every day?
Not at all.
And can you imagine me doing about 10,000 skips, maybe once a week or twice a week? So as I was telling you, I used to do even 10,000 skips maybe once or twice a week. I used to train really hard. It paid off because I won a very big tournament. I beat Delhi number three, and our principal. That was one of a very proud moment because our principal had sent three sections to cheer me up at the Talkatura Stadium. And I think my game was good. I was feeling very good. And also the cheering up squad really helped me to beat Delhi number three. And one of the biggest achievements which I got in badminton. Then I was carried to the principal's office, and I got a medal. I was recognized in the Delhi team. Later on, I played for Delhi also, doubles. I qualified, and I was also awarded the captainship of the modern team.
That's
So
really cool.
yeah, so I really enjoyed that phase of life. Little bit of popularity in modern, because of my badminton skills. So I really enjoyed that phase. It was
Yeah.
great.
Yeah. Okay. Last question.
Uh,
I mean, not last, but before the rapid fire round.
oh,
Um, is there anything else you would like to say to anyone? Send like a message or anything?
no, I definitely would like to recognize a few people associated in my life. Definitely my wife, Nehal, of course. The best partner you could ever meet. She's more than 100%. Uh, you know, she's a better person than I am. I've become a better person with her. I've grown with her over the last 20 years. And wonderful person to be with. Smart, intelligent, beautiful, everything. She's a complete package. I mean, really, I would really say that hats off to her. And the other person I would like to really recognize is my brother, Nilay. He has really been my backbone. I may not be a Ram to him, I guess, but he's definitely been my Lakshman all around. In every phase of my life, he has really supported me, taking care of a lot of my business activities. And as I say, he's even taken my marketing skills now. So maybe he's just taking over all my job, which I was supposed to do. And now he's brilliant in production, technical, marketing, everything. And as a human being, also, he's a wonderful person. Everything, everyone is above himself, So he tries to do everything for everyone. And for me, as I said, he has been a true Lakshman. Of course, my parents, my father, I got definitely very good vibes from him. I learned a lot from him, as he would always say, be happy in any kind of situation, be positive, never to worry, and a lot of positivity came from him. My mother has definitely been much more organized, and my organization skills, I think, come from her. She's also quite street smart, and as I take after that, after her. So all these people, and my child Ria, of course, how can I not mention her?
Yes, how can
Yeah,
you not?
yeah. Also, she's taking my interview, so I have to mention her. So, no, she is definitely the most satisfied soul I've ever seen. Even I think my soul, or my Neil's soul, or my mother's soul, we are always wanting something. We have this greed in life, to get something. But this kid, really, she's so satisfied looking at her and her possessions and belongings or whatever. She is a minimalistic person. She just survives on few things, and I say that greed sometimes is also good because it tries to helps you achieve your goals. But she is a wonderful kid. Would not have asked for a better wife, a better brother, and a better kid, and better parents. So my fingers, five things, perfect. My life has been perfect so far. No regrets, no complaints, and I hope the next 25 which I want to live, I hope they go up in the same way. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so this is going to be a rapid fire round.
Oh.
It's a would you rather. And so I'm going to ask you some questions and you have to answer like fast, with like don't take time to think.
Okay.
Okay. So, would you rather meet your grandparents or meet your great grandchildren?
Great grandchildren, but I don't want to live that long either. So I hope you marry early and have kids early.
Oh, okay, Jesus. Have more time or have more money?
Can't I choose both? But time is money. So money, I think one should have as much as you are able to enjoy it. And time is definitely what you want on your hand to enjoy what you have and your money. So time.
Okay. Have a rewind button or have a pause button in life?
Pause because I don't want to grow any older.
Hmm.
Rewind, not really, because I really don't want to really rectify anything. Maybe lose a few kilos. That's been my biggest regret in life. So if I could rewind, I could like to lose some kilos, but I would put a pause. Or can I like to also have a forward button? Maybe I can go see what's happening to
Okay,
me.
not the question.
Okay.
Okay. No one shows up to your wedding or no one shows up to your funeral.
Um, yeah, yeah, because I would be dead, so I don't care what happens after my
Yeah.
funeral. So
Yes.
I would rather have people at my wedding, which I did.
Same.
So
Yeah.
okay,
Okay. Go to dinner alone or go to a concert alone?
dinner alone or concert alone? Dinner alone,
Yeah.
because concert I want more people and I want to have party
And
and
at
fun.
least with dinner you have food.
Okay.
Yeah. Have world peace or stop world hunger?
Both actually, both are very important issues. Peace is required and also hunger. But as I said, first you have to feed to stay alive to have peace. So you have to choose feed the people and also have peace. Both.
Okay. Go skydiving or go bungee jumping?
My God, I wish I could do that in my younger days. No regrets though, because I'm now little bit scared of heights. So neither.
Oh, okay. Would you like to be an adult your whole life or be a kid your whole life?
Can I have the 20 to 25 year period? I mean, that is what I would like to have. Neither be too old, neither be too young. 20 to 25 is where I can party, where I can be with friends, where I can enjoy my life. I've done all my studies. So, that's been taken care of. So I think 20 to 25 where I have not started working and I've finished all my studies. So those 5 years. Oh,
Thank
really?
you.
Okay, so only last one thing. I would like to dedicate one special song by Beth Midler, Wind Beneath My Wings. And this is dedicated to Nehal and Nilay specially. They both are Wind Beneath My Wings. Thank you.
It must have been cold there in my shadow to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine, that's your way. You always walked a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strength. A beautiful face without a name for so long. A beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would like to be. I can fly higher than an eagle. You are the wind beneath my wings.
मैं डालूं ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले चल ऐसा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे, इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं, इस मांग में भर दूं तारे।
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर्स पे जब है आई, येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई।
हेलो हेलो तू मच है तुमने लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई
ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां, रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला घूड़ियां। धक 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 के ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां, रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला घूड़ियां।
ये नैन मटक्का तेरा ओए मुझे बड़ा तड़पावे, तू देख तो अजवी दिल पर गुड़िए तीर सा एक जल जावे। कर दे बिन पिए शराबी चेहरा तेरा गुलाबी, कोई क्यों ना यमला बन जावे जो इतनी हो बेताबी।
हेलो हेलो दिल दिल से कनेक्ट करना येलो येलो ये बातें डायरेक्ट करना